Okay, so we got the second back wall panel all set up, screwed together here in the middle. Then we got the sidewall panel positioned. Sometimes these panels you got to give them a little wiggle, hit the top with a hammer, kind of a little, a little love on the bottom sometimes to get them to seat down perfectly and line up. But you'll find that it's not that difficult. One thing I did want to mention too, all the parts and pieces that we send with the R are labeled. For instance, this talks about the 1x3 ceiling plates, so when you get your sauna delivered and you see a handful of bundles, don't panic because you just follow the instructions. There's written instructions too, of course. So what we're going to do here is fit the last top plate along the back wall run here. Again, we cut it for the conduit, then we cut these two side wall top plates to fit between the conduit too. These sidewall top plates are really only serve as fillers because it's in the back corner here in these back top plates that hold the two wall panels together, so that's how that works.